Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today video is about USB port and USB port extension. Okay, most of you guys know this bike comes with a USB charging port which is underneath the seat. Okay, however it's not that much accessible to charge our phone. Okay, let me show it to you. That's the USB charging port. This is below the seat. Okay, I'm afraid any of the phone can fit here. So normally all of us guys have a phone which is more than 5 inches now. So it's not gonna fit here. So what I'm doing today right now is I'm showing you how we can put an extension cable here and we can route it till here somewhere where we can provide a charging point to our mobile phones or any other devices which will be more convenient for us. Okay, so the cable what I've ordered right now is from Amazon. That's the cable, okay, from Amazon Basics. Trust me guys, this is one of the best cables around. I feel the build quality is very good of this cable. Okay, so it says something around 535 rupees, but there was a prime sale, so I think I got it something around 350 rupees. Okay, if you want this cable, I'll post the link in the description box. Okay, and this is the cable. So trust me guys, it's very good build quality. The build quality is very good. Okay, so it's a female connector and that's the male connector. Okay, so now let's check how we can extend this cable from here till the front. Okay guys, now let's go ahead with the installation of this cable. So that's the brand name, Amazon Basics. Okay, it fits well. That's the cable. Unfortunately I ordered the longer cable. Okay, so it's 3 meters long. I don't think we need so long cable. 1.5 or 2 meters cable is good enough. Okay, what I'll do is I'll roll this cable and zip tie later. So now from where we can route it. Okay, so this looks to be a good place where I can route the cable. Let me check. Oh, it's out from here. So now from here, wow, the installation is so simple. It looks so good. Okay, you can't see the cable anywhere hanging down. So you got this loop, so you can just pass on to this loop from where the rest of the cables are passing. And now what I'll do is I'll push the cable from here. Okay, it's out from here. That's it. So I can zip tie it somewhere here, possibly maybe this loop or somewhere else. This is the female connector, so you can plug in your USB cable of your phone, charging cable, and you can charge your phone. Just make sure you can turn your handle left and right and there is enough play in the cable. So we are good with the USB port, which is now external on the handlebar. The installation is very clean, very easy. You don't see any cable hanging down. I have zip tied the cable now. So guys, I'll put back the seat now. Okay, now the problem here is since I've ordered the longer cable, it's difficult for me to lock the seat. So you can see this mounts. This is going to go inside here. So I'll try. Okay, great. So that's all for today, guys. USB charging port, which was below the seat, now it's out here. The only thing what I need to do is I can put a cap here to prevent it from rusting. Okay, any which ways this charging port is activated only when you turn on the ignition key. So nobody can charge your phone right now. You know, if I plug my phone here, it's not going to charge. Okay. Okay guys, I hope you like my video. Do like and subscribe. There are more videos coming up. Thank you very much.